Hi there, this is Anna Maria from Photographer Media Support. And in this demo, I will show you how an agent can create marketing materials from their customer portal. So once you log into your customer portal, click on listings and go to the listing that you want to create marketing materials for. You can go down to marketing section, and in the third step, it will say marketing materials, and you can click on create. This will open the marketing center, and here we have some featured templates, but you can also click through each. For example, it will just show you flyers, postcards, social media, and stories are currently not available, but they will be available soon. So let's say we want to create a flyer. We can choose what type of display we like or layout, let's say. So maybe I like this one. And here we can edit the details. For example, this image right here, we can replace it by clicking here, replace image, and it will show me here the options of the images that are currently uploaded on the listing. So let's say maybe I want, instead of this one, to use, for example, this one. Now here for the company logo, it will just show me what is my agent's logo, so I can use that one. But also, if you don't want to have it at all, you can click delete to remove it, or we can, for example, put it to be smaller size and move it, for example, to be right here. Maybe here I would prefer it. Then right here, if needed, I can replace the text with something else. And we can change the type of the text. We can choose some different style, for example. And we can also change the size. Also, when we click on that, we can change here the text size. Also the color here. So you can kind of play around with those options. Now here, this is the phone number that the system is pulling from your account, and email, and also the site if I have of the team. I can click here and click replace image again. I can show a different image. So maybe I can show this one, and here I can show that one, and here I can choose some image that I have. Oh, actually, let's keep this one and put here some from the outside. And you can click here and edit the text, whatever you would like it to say. So there will already be a template of something, but you can obviously change it for something you like. And you can maybe select the whole text, bold it, or make it italic or underlined if you like. But you cannot do that just on a part of it. It has to be the whole text. So we're not able to bold just a specific word. That would bold the whole text, as you can see. Um, so once you are done with your editing, you can then click here if you want to download it to your as a PDF or as an image to your computer. And you can also click here. Let me just save this. We can also click to publish changes. If you need to reset Canvas, you can also click that, but we can publish changes. And now when we go back to the listing, we will go to marketing materials, and we will see that one flyer we have created. So that is how we can create marketing materials. You can check different things out. You can always delete if you don't like one you created, but that's it. I hope this video helps. I also have two right now. Sorry, I have just one because I created just one, but you can create as many as you want. I hope that helps. Have a nice day.